I've been coming here since I was a little kid, driving around on my little bike. And now to be here, working here with my family, it feels awesome. You know what? You can still see the vision my grandfather had today, 50 years later. It's something that's really cool, and you have to take a lot of honor and pride in wanting to continue that tradition and continue what he started and continue to make it better. That's what we all wanted to do. That's what my dad and my uncles wanted to do, and that's what us as the third generation want to continue to do, is continue to improve, always try to get better and build upon that legacy. Our vision is pretty simple: to continue what we've been doing in terms of our customer experience, our quality, and our ability to innovate. I would hope that our impact in the next 10 to 20 years is to really change the industry, take it to somewhere it hasn't been before, adding in AI, adding in automatic robotics, and more processes that can help us face the challenges we have today. I think the industry is at an inflection point right now, and it needs a lot of this innovation to continue to move forward. And I would hope that we can be the leaders at the forefront of that change. The number one value we have as a company is that we care. It's not just about fixing cars, it's about all the people involved, all the people here with families. They're part of our family. Our customers are family. We really strive to have returning customers, and customer experience is the number one thing for us. So I definitely would say that we care, and that's our number one value ever since we started, and it's still strong today.